there, future IELTS test takers. For our first lesson of the IELTS Rocket Run series, we're going to be diving into a crucial aspect of your IELTS preparation, and that is linking words and phrases. Let's explore how these little connectors can make a big difference in your IELTS performance, especially in the writing section. Linking words and phrases are vital score boosters, particularly in the writing section. They help connect ideas, improve your writing skills, and contribute to your overall results. For instance, when you want to support major points in your essay, you can use words like furthermore or moreover. To contrast ideas, try however or nevertheless. Or even when you want to list your paragraphs, words like firstly, finally, lastly, or last but not the least also help. These simple tools can make your essays more structured and cohesive. And don't forget, this will also contribute to your cohesion and coherence score. Remember, as you work towards your IELTS goals, practice using these linking words and phrases regularly, especially if you aim to excel in the writing section. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay tuned for more.